Hey people, so we are at Inorbit Mall and
it's awesome. Wait. Can you see that thingy? Okay, you can see.
the camera is going all over the place. But really, this is such beautiful arrangements, and that's what we rarely come to Inorbit Mall. But like life is definitely limping back to normalcy, and that's the little that's my son. But this is beautiful, right? I mean, so it's already it's just a 40-second video. This is beautiful. So take a look at this. This is nice. So
What do I smell?
yeah, cakes. It's the air of festivity, really. So awesome place. So on that note,
I know what's the smell. Hit the like button and subscribe to make me tell what it is. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now the smell of it is donuts.
yes, such a cute video.